Class 3 English. Okay, let's start now. So we'll do today a text, English text, that is a new chapter. The penguin, reindeer and fox. Okay, penguin, this is the penguin, reindeer is a deer with long horns, and fox, this is the fox. So this is the penguin, this is the reindeer with long horses, long horns, horns, these are the horns, and this is the fox. So penguin, reindeer and the fox. Once there was three great friend. These three were great friend. Okay, the penguin, the reindeer and fox. One day the penguin and the reindeer found a juicy blackberry fruit tree. Blackberry means what? What blackberry? Jam, jam, that is blackberry. Blackberry fruit tree. Okay. Now see. So what happened? One day the penguin and the reindeer found a juicy blackberry fruit tree. They decided to keep it a secret. Who found? Penguin and the reindeer found. So decided to keep it secret. Secret means not to tell anyone. Okay. The fox saw them. So though both of them found, but the fox did not knew. The fox saw them and asked them why they were so happy. The fox asked, "Why are you so happy?" "We can't tell you because it is secret." Then the penguin and the reindeer told, "We can't tell you, it is a secret," said the reindeer and the penguin. Okay, now the fox said, "I am your friend. I am your friend. You should trust me. You must trust me. You should believe me and you should tell me. I will not tell anyone. I will not tell anyone." The penguin and the reindeer trusted him. So penguin and the reindeer believed him, trusted him, and they told him about the blackberry fruit tree. Told him about the blackberry fruit tree. All three of them arrived at the village. The fox forgot. The three of them, they went to the village. The fox forgot about his promise. The fox promised that I will not tell it to anyone. Please tell me. And told the secret to all the animals. The fox told the secret to all the animals that there is a blackberry tree in the forest. Okay, there is a blackberry. We have found a blackberry tree. Okay, they told all the animals. He told. When the penguin and the reindeer returned to the place, okay, where they had found the fruit tree, all the animals had eaten all the fruits. Okay, but when the penguin and the reindeer went to eat some fruit there, all the fox told all the animals. So all the animals had eaten all the fruits and it is finished. Next day, the reindeer and the penguin were very annoyed. Next day, the reindeer and penguin became very much angry with the fox because the fox promised not to tell, but the fox told everyone with the fox and decided to teach him a lesson. Then he told, "Let us teach him a lesson." Okay, because he has told us lie. The very next day, they told the fox that they had found a lake. The next day, what the fox and the reindeer, the penguin and the reindeer told the fox again that we have found a lake full of fish and he could have nice feast. You can have nice feast means a meal. You can have nice meal over there. Okay, a lake full of fish. You can have nice meal. Now next, the fox soon told everyone. Again, the fox told everyone in the village about this. All the animals hurried to in the lake. All the animals went to the lake and to have a good meal, to have a good food. But finding nothing there, all of them gave the fox a good beating. When all the animals went there in the lake, they found nothing was there in the lake. Nothing, no fish. So all the animals gave him a good beating. Okay, they beat the fox. You told me lie. You told us lie. We'll beat you. Now the fox learned that it is important to keep people's trust. Now the fox learned that it is important to keep people trust. What we tell people that we will not tell, we should not tell. Okay. The penguin and the reindeer again thought of teaching the fox a lesson for being a big mouth. Okay. The penguin and the reindeer again thought to teach the fox a big lesson for being a big mouth. Big mouth means one who cannot keep secret, one who tells everyone everything. Okay. There is big mouth, and one who could not be trusted. Big mouth and trusted. Okay. So fox could not be trusted. Okay. So But when they saw that the fox has changed and apologized, but when they saw that the fox has changed and the fox has came and said sorry to them, apologized means to say sorry, the penguin and the reindeer regained their faith. Again, the penguin and the reindeer regained their faith. They started believing the fox. Okay, believing in the fox. Okay, thus they forgave the fox. So they forgave the fox for his mistake. They gave. Okay, they said, okay, it's okay. You should never do the mistake again. We are forgiving you for your mistake. Okay. So this is the story. Okay. So what we learn from the story, that when we promise someone that we will not say anything, we should keep our promise. Simple. That when we promise someone, we should keep our promise. We should not cheat or we should not tell lie to anyone. Okay. We should always keep our promise. This is the moral of the story. Okay. For today, this much. Thank you.